was listening to a radio program the other day, and somebody said, how do you make really nice scrambled eggs? And the professional chefs seem to say that you needed to do it slowly and over lots of special equipment, and it just sounded really curious that he wanted to take over 10 minutes to make scrambled eggs. So I just sort of thought, well, let's just actually see how long it takes me to make scrambled eggs using my method. So here we have a regular stainless steel pan on a Rangemaster induction hob, and I take some free range eggs. I'm going to use a couple of eggs straight into the pan. No faffing around with mixing the eggs in advance, total waste of time. 2 eggs straight into there. What they did say was use plenty of butter. That's a great idea, so really generous amount of butter. You don't need to go over the top. And I usually put in 2 twists of fresh sea salt per egg. That's just this little finely ground egg. So now I'm going to whack it straight up to number 8 on the induction hob, and I stir vigorously. Now just keep it going. Stir vigorously. So here we go. Here's the toast just popping there, and let's just see how long this takes to go. You can see that I can see the butter is just beginning to melt slightly. Just going to turn it up to 9 now, just to give it the full power. The great thing about induction hobs, of course, is that they're very clean and easy to maintain, and as responsive as gas. I'm a complete convert. Now you can see that it's already beginning to steam, and that's where we must turn it right back down to about 7, otherwise it will scramble too quickly. And just keep that going. Take it right down to about 5 now, just get that heat going through the whole thing. I find that actually having the steam coming off is a kind of intensifying process. You're taking some of the water off the actual egg yolk and making it nice and creamy. So here we go, it's all just beginning to go now. My toast is ready. 7. So I can take it off the heat now. There's no heat here. I can actually touch this hob now, even though I've just been cooking with it at full power. So there's a couple of bits of toasts ready to butter up. Toast. And then for the final piece, let's turn it right up back up to 8. Just beginning to scramble now. You can probably just see that in there. Let's go over. And I can just slow that process of stirring down now as I want to make eggs solid. Here it goes. How I like my scrambled egg is to have some bits of it that are nicely done, surrounded by a nice creamy texture, The more butter we've got in there, obviously the more silky it will be. And we have really nice silky scrambled egg. Take it off the heat, just let the heat of the pan cook the eggs. Final flourish. There we go. I think those are perfect eggs. I'm going to just serve those up now. Some lovely, beautiful, silky, scrambled eggs. No faffing around. No special equipment. There we go. And probably not that long. Under 6 minutes. I think that's pretty good. Enjoy breakfast. Delicious.